Ginour Polisher900W 6-inch variable speed dual-action random orbit car buffer polisher with D-handle and side handle, 6,400 RPM, packing bag, 5 foam disc for car polishing and waxing. Dual-action polisher 7.5A 900W motor provides stable speed for low noise. Come with random orbit, swirl-free polishing sanding action, can reduce the damage of machine tracks, burn marks, holograms, which is different from normal polisher or rotary machines. Perfect for polishing, waxing, polishing, buffing, and removing swirls. Compact size and 6 variable speed. The body size is 14.56 x 6.10 x 6.10 and weighs only 5.7 pounds, compact and powerful. 6-level variable speed dial allows user to set 2,000-6,400 RPM according to different materials and applications. Professional accessories come with 2 different design handles, D-handle and side handle. Its ergonomic design meet your higher operational requirements. Attach 5 PCS 6-inch types of foam. The yellow foam disc for smooth polishing, the black foam disc for fine waxing and polishing, the wool foam disc for fine grinding. Humanized design with switch lock design, you can maintain a speed by lock down the button, greatly reducing fatigue. When the spindle is locked, you can quickly replace other accessories without using other tools. Constant power and constant speed allows the operation more steady. What you get: 1 TOPVORK polisher, 1 hook and loop base pad, 5 6-inch foam disc, 1 D-handle, 1 side handle, 1 hex wrench, 2 carbon brush, 1 packing bag, 1 user manual, lifetime warranty and best customer service. Click the link in the description to get this product.